Hey, pencil enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of graphite and wood with our top 25 facts about pencils. So, grab your sharpeners and let's get started. Fact 1. Did you know that the modern pencil as we know it was invented in 1565 by a shepherd in England? It's come a long way since then. Fact 2. Pencils can write underwater. Unlike pens, pencils don't rely on ink, making them the perfect tool for jotting down notes in any environment. Fact 3. The HB on your pencil stands for hardness and blackness. The scale ranges from 9 hard to 9B soft, determining the pencil's lead characteristics. Fact 4. Thomas Edison used pencils to invent the light bulb. He reportedly had pencils specially made to be 3 inches long for easy use in his lab. Fact 5.
Pencils can write in zero gravity.
Astronauts often use pencils in space because they work in all orientations. Fact 6. Have you ever wondered why pencils have hexagonal shapes? It's to prevent them from rolling off flat surfaces. Fact 7. The average pencil can write around 45,000 words or draw a line 35 miles long. That's a lot of creative potential in a small package. Fact 8. Pencils are recyclable. You can recycle the wood and, in some cases, even the graphite. It's a sustainable writing option. Fact 9. The eraser on your pencil was added in the 19th century by mistake. Pencil makers initially intended for it to be a tool to mark errors, not erase them. Fact 10. During World War II, pencils were used to send secret messages. Microfilm was wrapped around pencils, allowing for discreet communication. Fact 11. Pencils were the first writing instruments used in schools. They were widely adopted because they were affordable and easy to use. Fact 12. The world's longest pencil was created in 2015, measuring over 1509 feet. That's longer than 5 football fields. Fact 13. Pencils have been to space more than once. The famous Fisher space pen was developed because pencils posed fire hazards in the low-gravity environment. Fact 14. The smell of a freshly sharpened pencil is a mix of cedar wood and the aroma of graphite. It's nostalgic for many of us. Fact 15. Pencils can conduct electricity. The graphite in pencils is a good conductor, and you can create simple circuits with them. Fact 16. The world's most expensive pencil is worth $12,000. It's a limited edition Graf von Faber-Castell Perfect pencil made of sterling silver and diamonds. Fact 17. The phrase "the pencil is mightier than the sword" is a play on the pen. Is mightier than the sword, emphasizing the power of knowledge and creativity. Fact 18. Pencils can be recycled into more pencils. Some companies have developed eco-friendly initiatives to create a circular pencil economy. Fact 19. The color of a pencil's eraser has a purpose. Pink erasers are softer and work well on graphite, while blue erasers are more abrasive and can erase ink. Fact 20. Pencils played a role in developing animation. Early animators used pencils to sketch out each frame, paving the way for the world of cartoons. Fact 21. The world's largest pencil was built in 2007. Standing at 65 feet tall and weighing over 18,000 pounds. Now that's a writing utensil. Fact 22. Pencils played a role in the creation of the first standardized tests. In the 1920s, the SAT was initially administered with pencils to reduce cheating. Fact 23. The lead in pencils is not actually lead, but a mixture of graphite and clay. The term pencil lead is a misnomer. Fact 24. Pencils have been to the summit of Mount Everest. Climbers often prefer them due to their reliability in extreme conditions. Fact 25. The iconic yellow color of pencils has an interesting history. In the 1800s, the best graphite came from China, and yellow was associated with royalty and honor. There you have it, 25 mind-blowing facts about pencils. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of graphite and wood, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, keep writing and drawing with the incredible pencil. Thanks for watching.